Welcome, crafty friends. Today I am sharing with you how I made 8 cards using the Birthday Shaker card kit from Annie's Kit Club. All the card bases are standard A2 size. I started the first card with adhering the acetate circle to the back of the party die cut. There will be a protective film on each of the acetate shapes that will need to be removed. I noticed that some of the glue leaked out of the sides, so I just wiped it away. Using the provided foam strips, I went around the edge of the circle and trimmed off the bit at the end so they lined up well. I poured a generous amount of sequins onto the dotted coordinating back and attached it to the first circle. For the main card assembly, I started off by pre-cutting my paper. The dimensions for the green card mat are 3.75 inches by 5 inches. The striped paper is 2 inches by 4.75 inches, and the smaller strip is 1 3/8 by 4.75 inches. Using double-sided tape, I adhered both to the green card mat. I tried to leave equal room along the edges and in the center between both strips. I wanted to use these flag die cuts that came with the kit, so I went ahead and glued the white one onto the blue one at an angle and adhered both of them to the back of the shaker card. I used liquid adhesive on the back of the shaker and the flags and lined the shaker up in the top center of the mat. Liquid adhesive went on the back of the card mat and I attached it to the center of the card base. I made another card using the green card base. The second card starts off again with adhering the acetate to the back of the sentiment, again remembering to remove the film. Carefully run the foam strips around the outside. Fill the backer with sequins and attach them together. I have cut 3 strips of paper to make the main part of the card. The larger striped one is 2.5 inches by 5.25 inches. The dotted is 1 inch by 5.25 inches. And the green cardstock is 0.75 inches by 5.25 inches. I used a little bit of double-sided tape on one side of the largest strip and attached it to the green cardstock. I overlapped the green by 0.25 of an inch, which left me about a half an inch showing. I added adhesive to the full panel and lined it up with room around the edges while trying not to overlap the dotted paper. Using liquid adhesive, I attached the shaker in the center of the card. I took this die cut tag, added a foam square for dimension, and stuck it in the bottom corner. I tied a bow using the included string, going with the pink since the card base was green. Use some liquid adhesive to secure it to the tag. I made a second card using the red card base and green string. This video should show you how I made 2 more cards, but I think I forgot to hit record, so I don't have the footage. I did end up making a total of 8 cards using this kit, and here they are. I have created a blog post with all the dimensions for the papers if you would like to create your own. If you like this kit and would like your own, I have a link for 50% off your first kit in the description below. I hope you have been inspired to create your own cards. Drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my cards. Thanks for watching and have a crafty day.